decay and emit particles and energy. This process occurs naturally in certain elements like uranium and thorium and some isotopes of other elements. The isotopes that are unstable and emit radiations are called radioactive isotopes. Radioisotopes are the elements that occur naturally and are somewhat stable, but the isotopes manufactured in nuclear laboratories by bombardment of a subatomic particle usually have a short lifespan, mostly due to their unstable nature and radioactivity. There are three main types of radiations emitted during radioactive decay: alpha particles, beta particles, and gamma rays. Alpha particles are the positively charged particles consisting of two protons and two neutrons, while the beta particles are either negatively charged electrons or positively charged positrons. Gamma rays are high-energy photons. Radioactivity has many applications, including medical imaging, cancer treatment, and nuclear power generation. Exposure to high level of radiations can damage cell and DNA, leading to the radiation sickness and an increased risk of cancer. Few of the uses of radioactive isotopes are as for food preservation. Food irradiation is a method of treating food in order to make it safer to eat and have a longer shelf life. Even after it has been packaged, gamma rays can generate the packing and be used to kill bacteria, molds, and insects in the food. The process prolongs the shelf life of the food but sometimes changes the taste. Second application is sterilizing. Gamma rays are also used to sterilize hospital equipments by radiation, especially the plastic syringes that would be damaged if heated. Its further application is in agriculture. If a plant is given fertilizer tagged with radioactive carbon, then the plant will release beta radiations, and thus by measuring the radioactivity in different parts of the plant, the uptake of the fertilizer by plant can be determined. This technique can help in elaborating the complex process of photosynthesis as well as highlighting yield varieties of first heat have also been developed after mutation through radiation. Radioactive isotopes' medical uses involved the radiopharmaceutical drugs that contain radioactive materials are important in diagnosis and treatment of many diseases. They can be injected into the body, inhaled, or taken orally as a medicine to enable imaging of internal organs and body processes. Ionizing radiations has two very different uses in medicines for the diagnosis and therapy. High-energy radiations can be used to destroy selected tissues such as a cancerous tumor. Cobalt-60, which emits beta particles, and high-energy gamma rays can be used to treat various cancers. Some radioisotopes are made absorbed by selected organs, and radiation is concentrated on that infected tissues. For example, cancerous thyroid can be treated with iodine-131.